it's a lot of people who are making a killing, like doing fashion
Yeah.
shows and fashion businesses with crochet. It's
Mhm.
awesome. Yeah.
Now, now you mentioned you had your store, and that's how you started with that the crocheting. Um, was that the first time that you actually started selling items that you
Yeah.
made, or did you start it when you was a child?
I
Okay,
started when I was a kid.
gotta definitely tell me about this.
Yeah, my first business, I think it was I created jewelry.
Mm-hmm.
I created jewelry, so I handmade jewelry. I think that was my first business.
Okay.
I created jewelry, so necklaces, earrings, bracelets. I
Mm-hmm.
handmade all of that.
Mm-hmm. What age was that? What
Ooh,
grade?
oh, ooh, probably. Oh, that's a good question. It was probably in my teens, though. It was
Probably in
probably
your
in my
teens.
teens. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I'm 42 now, so
Mhm.
I got to think back. But yeah, I probably did that in my teens, and then I took it seriously more like in my early 20s when I was, in college. Just trying to make a few extra coins. But
Mhm.
yeah.
And you know what I found out? Because I did something similar. I was drawing since I was 4 years old. Even though it's
Hmm.
all about you, it ain't about me. But I just want to add a little bit to it since you covered so much
Yep.
in the
Yep. Yeah.
beginning. But I started drawing when I was 4 years old, and then
Hmm.
I actually started selling when I was in the seventh grade. And what I
Okay.
did was I was actually cutting out initials and selling those initials at keychains. But all I wanted was just some M&Ms. That's all I wanted was just some M&Ms. So once I made a keychain, I went and bought
Yep.
me some M&Ms.
Remember.
But the reason why I mention that is because a lot of us,
Hmm.
like yourself, you're artists, and
Hmm.
we're not, what I say, supported in that way to taking those things uh,
Right.
as a young child and actually somebody saying, hey, look,
Hmm.
you can make some money off of this. Let me teach you how. Let me take you under my wing. That
Right.
really pushed when we were kids. The thing
Hmm.
that was pushed in school was, hey, you want to get your good grades up,
Yep.
you want to interview well,
Yep.
you want to go find a job. We wasn't
Hmm.
that part. Hey, you
Nope.
got a gift. You need to be working on your gift. So I'm glad
Hmm.
you mentioned that so people could know how, okay, they got us that time, but they're
Yep.
not going to get our future. And I know that
Right.
you said you have a child, boy or girl.
I have two actually. I have a 9-year-old daughter and a 10-month-old baby boy.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay,
Hmm.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
great. So you can actually, hey, you know what to look for, and you can actually get them into it so they can,
Hmm.
work for
I
themselves.
Oh yeah, I actually encourage because of course, like you said, it was all about going to school, making the grades, go to college, go get a job, right?
Mhm.
So I was valedictorian of my class, my high school class, went to college. I have 3 degrees, three,
Mm,
right? But and it's in health, but that's not what I wanted to do long term, right? As
mhm,
you said, I'm an artist. I feel like this is the space that I need to be in.
mhm,